Ashwin here. To all those who wish to wrap up their summer holidays in a productive as well as fun-filled way, here is a great opportunity. Soap carving workshop is being held on 2nd of June in Chennai, where we will be learning the basics of sculpting and the carving techniques. We'll implement those ideas on a soap. You will also learn the tips to work on different materials like chalk as well as thermocol. This is a one-day workshop and you will be provided with the materials. And a delicious lunch awaits your hungry tummies. So hop on and put some weight. I'm coming with all the soaps just for you. See you there.